Mondo wawinja ne jatend duond bura mar Wiper Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka maloso ewi jogo manondhi yo Mlolongo e kinde mokalo.
Murdered, death by murder, death by drowning. So we are here to express our condolences to the families affected and even those, because we're also demanding there are 2 other bodies unidentified, or 1 at least. On behalf of the families, a country would want to have them dead or alive. And I repeat, nobody can wish away this whole matter of killing by the state. And they want us to believe it is not them. Now we are calling it as it is, abductions and killing by the state. State-sponsored killings. So I think Mheshimiwa Eugene and viongozi wenzangu hapa, Mheshimiwa Senator Wambua, I think some of these young men are from your county. Mheshimiwa County Women Rep, Mheshimiwa Kasalu, na wale viongozi wengine, Mheshimiwa Waititu. We shall consort and find the way forward. It cannot be that this is the end of the matter. If anything, it is the beginning ya kuwafichua hawa, so that they will know this is a country under the rule of law and not a country under the rule of gangsters who operate with the full knowledge and concurrence and perhaps support of the state. That's what I want to say for now, and we have to act. We know the Law Society has even demanded certain other actions. Of course, some of us are members of the Law Society, and we must all dig in and fight for the true liberation of this country.
Thank you very much. Let me also join my brother in passing my condolences to the families of Martin and Justice. They are here with us, and we've been able to see the bodies of these 2 young men. They were supposed to be produced in court, but they were identified here dead.